Hi everybody, this is Gary Demas Ultimate Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, November 17th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So when we were up here, I was saying, you really do not want to be chasing this rally. You want to let the market come back to you and pick spots out to look to buy the dips. And this was actually one of my first target was going to be down at this the 58.50 level, and you can see that's pretty much exactly where we went. We tested the 200-day moving average on the hourly chart, and we got a bounce. So this is going to be really, really important for the bulls to hold, because if they lose this, then we're going to come straight down, and now we're going to be trading at the 57.82, or possibly even doing a full retracement of this entire move right here and coming down to the 57.10. So the bulls just look like they were tired up here, and that was really my reasoning on we need a break. And this is healthy for the markets overall, because nothing just goes straight up or down. So doing this little break here, giving the technicals a chance to digest this big move, made sense. So now we're pretty sold right here. We don't have any buy signals, and we're on a sell signal with the Arun as well as our trend indicator. So tomorrow, if the bulls can open up, the resistance is going to be where this gap is. So that's going to be right around that 59.12, and then I'm at the bottom of the gap, and this is the top of the gap that would close it, and that's at 59.41. So this is going to be the area that the bulls really need to get through to really see another move leg higher to new highs. Now, again, if the bears, if they take it through to support, then we're going to be coming back down all the way to this 57.82. And if we bounce from there and then we see the bears show up and use this as resistance, then the bulls are going to, you want to make sure the low is in. We want to see a nice buy reversal candle or something to that extent. We want to see buy signals. So give this time to digest a little bit, and let's see where it goes. And once we see the bottom is in, then we'll turn around and start looking on the long side. So Friday we actually opened up the day, and our signal weight and cycle momentum was actually higher, and we had this gap down. So it was originally the way when that happens, when we have the cycle momentum and signal weight that are bullish, you're looking to buy these dips. And unfortunately, it just kept going. So what I did was simply I just wrote a call, got stopped out of this, and I think I lost $300 for the day. And I didn't really want to chase it, because I don't like chasing the down, any kind of big move on a gap up or down. So I wasn't really looking to short it, but that it was just selling pressure all day, and now we got to see what happens tomorrow. Is this support gonna hold, or are we gonna come and test these levels here? So you can see this is the moving average on the hourly, the 59.30. So this is going to be important for the bears. If we take a look at the 15-minute chart, here you can see we actually do have some buy signals right here. So this was like the open, and we kept going down, and you can see momentum was moving up. So we had a nice little divergence. We made it down to the 50% retracement, which is another one of the areas that I was saying. I said, and there's a chance that we could come down to the 62 or 78 and close this gap. So right now we're at kind of the midway point. We have buy signals right there. So I'm anticipating that we're going to get some kind of strength on Monday. Now we may open down, and what that will do is that gap I believe will get closed, just like this one will. But it's just more of a matter of where is it going to come from. So you can see the 62% retracement at the 58.20. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is just regular support. I'm going to remove that off. Then we have gap support at the 57.83 and the 78% retracement down at the 57.65. So these are really the areas that we want to go. And on the upside, you can see this resistance right here. This was support, and now it's going to be resistance. And you can see the moving average coming down. So this is really, again, the area that the bears need, the bulls need to get through to close this gap as well. well as make a stretch for new all-time highs. And if these are used as resistance, then there's a good chance that we're coming all the way down and retracing this entire move. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to get the morning notes out, but they're going to be early because I actually have to go to court for a friend of mine that I'm kind of a witness to. So I'm going to be out of the office until about 12 o'clock in that range. So if I'm not in the room or anything like that, that's the reason why. But I'll put out some morning notes and let you guys know my timetable. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.